Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this angel ornament for Christmas. First make magic circle, insert your hook into this yarn, turn it, make a chain, make one chain, insert your hook into this ring, bring yarn over, pull through, make one single crochet, yarn over, pull through and make single crochet. Make 7 single crochet in this ring. I made 7 single crochet in this ring. In total we have 8 stitch. 7 single crochet with chains, 8 stitches. A slip stitch, make one chain and one single crochet in first stitch and make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Go to next stitch, make 2 single crochet. Go to next stitch in this stitch. Make 2 single crochet. Go to next stitch and make 2 single crochet. Now we have 16 stitches in this row. A slip stitch, make one chain, one single crochet in first stitch, make one single crochet in each stitch for this row, one single crochet in each stitch. Make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make one single crochet. A slip stitch, make one chain, one single crochet in first stitch. Go to next stitch, make one single crochet. Make one single crochet in each stitch for 7 or 8 rows. After these rows, a slip stitch, make a chain, make one single crochet in first stitch, one double crochet in first stitch, one single crochet in first stitch. Skip next stitch, go to this stitch, make one single, one double, one single crochet. Skip next stitch, go to next stitch, one single, one double, one single crochet and repeat. Make a magic circle, make one chain, make 7 single crochet in this ring. Now we have 8 stitches in first row. A slip stitch, one chain, make one single crochet in first stitch, go to next stitch, 2 single crochet in next stitch, 1, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in each stitch. Repeat this row, 1 single crochet in each stitch. A slip stitch, make a chain, start to decrease stitches. Go to next stitch, bring yarn, go to next stitch, bring yarn, pull through all of them. Go to next stitch, bring yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. Bring yarn, pull through all of them together. Repeat this for finish this piece. Make a magic circle, make a chain, make 7 single crochet in this ring. We have 8 stitches in first row. A slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 single crochet in first stitch, make 2 single crochet in each stitch. A slip stitch, stitch 1 single crochet in this row for all stitches. 1 single crochet in each stitch. A slip stitch, make one chain, 1 single crochet in first stitch and 2 single crochet in each stitch. Fold this work and join two sides together from back loop. Insert your hook from back loops and slip a stitch and join two sides together.